Morning, everybody. Today, I'm gonna show you how to disable a secure boot. What is a secure boot? When you try to install a new operating system in your machine. So this kind of error. Let me switch this to my another camera, and at least you can see that what's the error. Okay, so this is the error called secure boot violations. When you try to install and it will shows that you are not able to install from your bootable device. So I will show you step by step how you had to be disable this secure boot and install the new operating system. Let's begin the job. Press OK. Just go to the menu and then enter to the setup. In setup, you had to go to the boot menu. See the option on the top is a boot. So just go down there and there is an option called secure boot enable or disable. Just press OK and disable the mode here. It will ask you, are you sure you want to continue? Yes, you want to do this. And then exit the menu. Save first, save configuration and exit the menu. And now you have to boot through the whatever you have a USB or you have your CD-ROM, whatever you want to be. Now here you can see the USB here because I'm using the USB at the moment. Just press this. It will take like few seconds to go and access your USB drive to install the new operating system. Okay, from here, go to next. If you have any data on it, if you want to save your data, so just go to the repair option. And if you don't have a data and you don't need it, you want to be like to install a clean, fresh installation, just go to install now. You have to choose which window you want to be. So digital license activation will be good. It will detect automatically your license. And this, you see, now you have all the hard drive detail and everything. In this is the main hard drive, which is like unlocated already. Somebody already deleted or formatted it. This is the main reason it's not working. It's not showing any operating system when you start the machine. So what we're gonna do, we just clean up and delete all the partitions because there's nothing here, you can't recover even anything. So because when the primary drive is deleted, it's nothing. You can save it unless you really have important data. So we had to run this, take out the hard drive and run through the softwares, and then you had to be recover the file whatever you required. This is as per the customer demand. If you want to recover his data, we can do that definitely. But that's a different procedure. I will definitely show you one day how to recover the data as well. Whenever you have a problem with the hard drive or you have a problem with your USB drive or memory card, so there is plenty of softwares available which can be recovered here. Okay, now the partition is already, see, there's already partition for recovery, partition for system, partition for reserved partition. So this is the main partition which is called primary. Select this one and go to the next. When you go to the next, it will start installing the window, which will take a little bit time. Let me switch back to the camera because this is the main procedure. Now you already installing the window. Okay, so this is the thing. If you just go through the procedure, just disable the secure mode from the setup of your machine, and then you can run the operating system through your USB or CD-ROM. You are able to install a new operating system on your machine. I hope you like my videos. If it's informative for you, so try to share with other people. Maybe somebody looking for this and they are going through this issue. Maybe we can help him or help her. So take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day. Bye now. Definitely see you soon with a new video. As I told you, I'll try to make some other videos to show you how to recover your data. Definitely soon. Subscribe and share it. Wonderful day. Bye now.